guys, for today's video we're going to cook chop suey. So we have our ingredients, so we are done preparing our ingredients for chop suey. So, since we're done preparing our ingredients, let's begin! So, first is we have our kawali! So, to prepare this one, this is already washed. Let's start cooking. So, we'll check the stove if it is on. So, it's not. So, we'll on this one. Then, after natin i-on yung stove, hintayin natin uminit yung kawali. Diba? Do you agree? Diba? So then, mainit na yung kawali na prepare natin. Lalagyan natin ng oil. Oil? This is olive oil. Olive oil. So, we'll put oil. So, tapos na natin ilagay yung chicken. So, optional lang naman siguro itong Chinese sausage. So, lalagyan po natin ng Chinese sausage. Look, this is the Chinese sausage. Lalagay na natin yung pampalasa. So, next is ilalagay natin yung 1 cup of water. Tapos, sabay na rin natin yung ating bell pepper. So, hihintayin lang natin na kumulo ito. Pag once na kumulo na, ilalagay na natin yung ating carrots. Then, after ng carrots, ilalagay natin ang ating sayote. Tapos, after, ilalagay natin ang ating cabbage. So, ayan, nakulo na ang ating chop suey. So, ilalagay na po natin ang ating carrots. Ilalagay natin next ang ating sayote. Kasabay ng ating bagyo leaves. Yan. So, halo-haloin lang natin. Lalagyan na po natin ng cornstarch. So guys, ilalagay na po natin ang ating cabbage. Nakulo na po. So, ating hahaluin ang ating chop suey. Guys, it's done. So, we'll prepare this chop suey. Baboon!